I need you guys to be honest in this, all right? That was a disaster.
Team Warm Showers, we're out here.
Get on it, guys. Cold showers.
All right, guys, we are very excited to present to you today the Scooter Olympics. Wait, scootering is not in the Olympics,
Not yet.
but it will be this year, 2020?
No.
So here we go, first ever Scooter Olympics. Open up your scooters,
Ask
boys.
you guys, who has scooter experience out of all of you guys?
Not me. Daniel and Eddie are both scooter professionals.
Now, when I was younger, my grandparents got me a really cheap scooter, and it was fun for a little bit.
Dang.
Look at this guy.
When I used to live in Brentwood, this guy would make dirt bike sounds and jump like 15 feet from like ramp to ramp.
Hey, when I was like
On a
10.
scooter?
Yeah.
When I was
This
like
guy's
10.
low-key pro over here.
Uzi Walker Origins.
So we got these yesterday. Dan set one up. We hid all the other ones from Fetty and Uzi so they didn't break them.
Break them.
I'm ready, brother.
Never break anything. All right, let's go. The first event is going to be a series of events where we have events. Let's go find out what the events are on the events.
Yes.
I really like this color a lot. Purple is like the best. I'm digging it.
So the first event is the most tail whips in 1 minute.
The most tail whips in 1 minute. Okay, you ready?
Let's go,
You
let's
guys
go.
put me in a contest with these guys?
Yeah.
These guys are good.
Rochambeau. Ready? Rochambeau.
Come on.
Fetty always wants to go last.
Great.
Chris is first.
What are we doing?
Most tail whips in a minute.
What? I'd be stoked if I get one tail whip.
So Chris, your time starts on the first attempt at a tail whip. Dan, are you ready?
I'm ready. All right, are we ready?
There's one. That is one. 2. 3.
Front foot catches, I guess.
Lands everyone.
You don't know what's going on.
I'll allow it. 8. 9.
Oh my god, dude.
Got it.
If I just like picture my front foot landing.
Oh.
5 seconds.
14.
10 minutes on a scooter.
15. You've never done that before?
No.
Wow.
The first person to champion tail whip.
Dude.
What the heck? Do that. You just popped like 4 feet in the air. Do that again. Do that again. Did you see that?
Just thinking of it as a tray flip makes so much sense.
Yeah.
Look who I'm competing against.
Real deal, we need a whole video. just them going ham in the park.
All right, Uzi. Your time starts on the first pop. 0.
I'm on a roll.
0. 1. Come on, Uzi.
I can't tail whip.
2. 3.
Oh, I figured it out.
Come on, Uzi.
4. 5.
5 seconds. Get one more.
5.
For real, how did Christopher McNugget do 15? I guess there was, remember we did that rollerblade video and he just killed it?
Yeah. All right, Fetty.
First pop.
What?
I just lost it. No.
1. No, that's 1. 2. 3. 4. Nope. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10.
Determination.
11. 12. Nope. 13. Oh.
10 seconds.
14. 15. Now. 16.
Some of those I landed, you counted for Chris, but okay.
You still won.
You still won, boy. Let's go.
The highest wall ride coming up next. So, there are a few rules that we were discussing. We figured that if they stayed on the scooter the entire time, it'd be a little too dangerous. So,
What?
if you saw Uzi, he did like a foot plant up there.
Yeah.
Watch.
So like that?
Like that. We'll allow that. They have 3 tries to go as high as they can as long as they roll away.
Let's see the highest wall ride. The person who got last, which is Uzi, goes first. Let's go.
That one does not count.
Oh my God.
That one does not count. Uzi has the only successful roll away.
And it was really high. Uzi, he's quite the guy. Just for the record, we do not have anything against scooters. I'll just throw that out there.
Wow. That one doesn't count. You didn't put your foot back on.
Put your foot back on, dude! They're going almost as high as I went on the Heelys, but not quite.
Oh!
Nobody can land.
So I have a question.
Yes.
Is Uzi a scooterer or a freeboarder?
He is a freeboarder and a scooterer. Yeah.
That counts.
Count it. Okay.
That was nice.
Okay, we take that.
Keep
First
you up.
place Uzi, second place Chris, third place Fetty.
Yeah.
You went higher, but you went higher on like 9th try. It's not an Olympics without some controversy.
All
Should be where it
Let's
lands.
go
right?
outside.
For our third event, we have the skateboard toss. Who can toss the skateboard the furthest? I got my money on Mr. Uzi. He can really throw. All right, guys, ready? Starting line on this piece of chalk. All right, Mike. 3 throws. Longest wangdanga wins.
There's a lot of windows around me right now.
Well, don't throw it backwards.
I mean, I've never done this before. We'll see.
All those core cowboy exercises you've done, it's all been leading up to this moment.
Okay, you're right.
Core cowboy exercise.
I don't know. I just agreed with him. I'm worried about letting go too late, and like all my friends are right on this side.
Yeehaw. Oh my God, that's so scary. That was unbelievable. Look at Dan, look at Dan.
Why is it so funny?
That was very impressive.
Thanks. Felt good.
Dude, Uzi's got some power.
Every time on this one, it's like weirdly it goes over the fence.
What are you thinking, Fetty?
Angry thoughts,
Why?
so I could throw this farther.
Oh. Uzi, you're up.
Look at his stone cold killer face.
This is for all the scooters that want to throw skateboards.
Let's go.
Oh God. That was pitiful.
This is what he does every time. His first couple, he's like, oh, it didn't really go far. And then watch, his third one.
Watch him come back, watch him come back.
He almost fell.
One 30-year-old Australian on a scooter.
It's bad. Okay, Betty.
You don't like my scooter?
I love it. No, it's the best.
It's my color too.
Are you okay?
I'm tired.
Sound like it hurt. Well, Chris McNug is in first by a large margin.
Large and in charge with
Go
this
again.
margin.
Should I mark it if it's any further or just leave it? I mean, he might as well just throw it over the fence at this point.
Chris, if you make it over the fence, we'll give you $100 of Aaron's money.
Of Gabe's paycheck. Still really far.
There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. All right, Dan, get this. Oh my God.
With the same
That picked up a draft. You see that? It got picked up by a wind.
Uzi and Fetty's are really close.
Australian on a scooter. Oh, what? That was the best thing I've ever seen.
Anybody else is just normal, but for Aussie Dan, it sounds funny.
All your strength, Fetty.
Betty, don't hit that airplane.
Man, the breeze
I
picked
feel
up
like-
right as he threw it.
He threw it and the wind blew it backwards.
And the reason it went so far for Chris is because he kept it flat. It cut straight through the wind. These guys are throwing it up and it's getting picked up by the wind.
I'm worried about Troy's life over there, his safety.
Troy, you're in the kill zone.
Oh, dang.
That first throw was amazing.
Thanks, man. I should have stuck with that one, huh?
Team warm showers, we're out here. I'm gonna throw it farther for warm showers.
I can't switchflip.org is offended.
Yeah, he wants a warm shower with Kristen McNugget.
Just imagine all the times that I've told you can't switch flip and you've proved my point that you can't switch flip.
No! How did he throw it so far?
Yeah, go down!
2 words. Cold showers.
Team cold shower, too?
Sure.
I'm not the only one.
Aaron has never taken a cold shower in his life.
Get on it. Get on it, guys. Cold showers.
Oh!
I tried.
A little better.
Well, good game. You win the whole thing.
Cold showers.
The amount of salt today is just unbelievable. You were first in this event. Dan, who was second?
But he was lost in that one.
Look majestic on that thing.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. All right, we're doing a full race. The race starts on the wall.
On the wall.
The back wheel has to be touching the coping.
Okay.
What is that called?
So you start right here.
So you start here.
Push forward.
Keep going straight.
Just totally disregard the mini ramp. No big deal.
Nope. Actually, would you guys like to implement some obstacles into it? So, okay, you gotta go up here.
You gotta hit the coping there, turn around, hit the coping on this side, and then go out. Over here, you gotta go up this ramp, turn, down the 3 stair, turn, over the hip, over the step-up gap, come down here, tail whip on top, drop down this, then turn here. You have to slide or jump on this box. You have to be on the box some form or capacity. And then you gotta go out. And then you gotta go around the cone, which we will put at the end of the parking lot over there, and then back in. And then when you enter into the Braille house, that's who wins. All right, contestants, are you ready?
Yeah. Yes.
Start!
You didn't touch coping, Chris!
Did I not?
Tail whip! No, you gotta land it!
I'll land it, Chris. I'll land it too.
Oh! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Just touch the fence!
Landed the tail whip.
That was a disaster.
Terrible.
Uzi, you didn't touch the fence. You're disqualified. Yes, I did. I yelled at you.
There was no cone. I said we would put a cone. We didn't put a cone.
I guess we gotta do it one more time.
Okay. That was a good practice run. Okay, toss it as far, just go far.
That was a good test.
Okay, so there's a skateboard out there. You gotta go around it.
All right, I need you guys to be honest in this, all right? This is a gentleman's game.
Contestants, are you ready? Nope, nobody's ready. Contestants, are you ready?
No.
Go! Oh my God.
Gotta do the tail whip. No. Chris, no, both feet. Wow.
Good race, guys. Good race.
Wow, Fetty. You won so fast. Have you ever seen him like this?
So now you guys have to play scoot because you're tied.
Full park scoot. This is the moment I've been waiting for. In an unprecedented history of scooter Olympics, it's a tie for first and second. There's only one way to break a tie here in the Olympics, and that is a game of scoot. S-C-T, scoot. Full park. All right, Uzi, let's go.
Well, no, we'll play S.
S-C-T, Uzi, go.
I'm going off the box.
We're counting that. That's defense. Let's go.
He's definitely a skateboarder.
Wow. Full send.
Should I do it, Gabe?
Do what?
Should
Should I do it?
Yeah.
So like the same trick that I messed up on, but way harder?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do I sense a 360?
Yeah, 360.
With power, style, and ease.
You can end it, you can take the win.
Kids. Just when you think he's a freeboarder, it turns out to be a everything.
Oh, you got that.
Got that. 2 tries, let's go.
Carlos waxed the floor, I knew it.
Uzi is the proud champion of Scooter Olympics. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. We have everything you need to learn how to ride a skateboard. This is your year. Let's go.